Previously on the vlog. What's up, Crystals? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to cut my hair and donate it to charity. Yay. And the chosen charity that we're gonna donate our hair to is called Locks of Love. We are also now in our new home, and that is the reason why you see my light box behind me. It's behind my bed. Maybe after I get my haircut, I can give you guys a quick tour of the inside of the house. And for today, we're not gonna go too far or to the salon. We're just gonna get my mom to cut my hair, so you're gonna see her in the vlog as well. Let me first go and show you the scissors that we're gonna use to cut my hair. And this one's called thinning shears to thin out the ends of my hair. And as you can see, it's got teeth. And it doesn't cut all the way through, and that's gonna help thin out the hair. This one, on the other hand, is just normal cutting shears. This is gonna do the job for us. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and cut my hair. So as you can see here, I already have the hair donation form that we're gonna fill out. I also already prepared the Ziploc where I will put my hair, and the envelope that we're gonna send to Locks of Love.
Hi guys! Today I will be Cristin's hair master cutter. Hair master cutter. Today I will cut. I will do Cristin's hair.
That sounds so menacing.
Monster. We're going to cut Cristin's hair as you requested. I will cut her hair up to her chin neckline.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chin to neck.
So this is the hair up to the waist line. And I'm going to cut it over here. Am I right?
Like here.
Here. Oh yeah. There. So let's start. Put the cape. I'm going to put the cape to protect Cristin's clothes. Alright. Let's start.
Yes.
I'll comb her hair first to make it straight. More straight. Like this. I'm going to tie Cristin's hair up to her neckline. Is 17 inches.
Okay, it's perfect.
Then I'll braid it. I think when you braid it, it will become smaller.
Shorter.
Oh yeah, shorter I mean. Maybe this is more than 12 inches still after braiding.
The moment of truth!
Yeah, from here, if I cut it from here up to here, almost 12 inches. It's almost 12.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Are you guys ready? It's too thick.
Round 2.
Last.
Round 3.
Oh no! I don't know if I did it right.
Oh no.
Oh no. I hope you won't forget the day you were born.
As Katy Perry said, no regrets, just love, wait and dance. Ah! That's the hair! Wow, I didn't realize how nice it looks. That's nice.
So that is the hair. I'll just take out the cape and put the hair on the bag.
Dun, 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 dun. Take out the hair. How do I look? Do you like it?
Do you like her new
Is
hair?
it nice? It better be nice. Is it nice, guys? What do you think? Do you like my new hair?
You look younger.
Yay! Ta-da! Now we can donate our hair. Congratulations.
My hair
And my hair.
is done by Cristin.
Yeah, I cut mom's hair.
But,
And I cut my sister's hair. Show them your
because
hair.
this is the new hair done by Cristin.
Yeah, I cut their hair and they cut my hair.
How do we look?
So pretty.
Oh, I thought so crazy.
We can give you guys a quick tour of the house too. This is the kitchen.
This is where we do the haircut.
And that's the table. It's not organized yet. This is the frame that says eat this bread, drink this cup. You know what verse that is? Leave a comment down below. Here's the living room. It's not organized yet. And our office space where we do our editing, and me and my sister are next to each other. And the YouTube play button is still over there. We still have to find a home for it. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like my new hair. It's so short. I'll fix the hair with thinning shears next time. But I hope you guys like the new hair, the new do. I hope that you enjoyed watching my mom cut my hair. For the end of the video, my mom has to say something.
Guys, don't forget to like
And subscribe!
and hit the bell icon.
Oh yeah! And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Up next on the vlog. Look at this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing.